back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing fall Dollar Tree DIY decor. I'm so excited for this. My Dollar Tree has not came out with all of their fall decor yet, so I'm still stuck with the beginning stuff, but I'm going to start putting it all together because fall is right around the corner and I'm so excited and I can't wait any longer to start fall decor because I got so many ideas. It is just frying my brain. So I am going to make 3 different fall decor vases for your home and I'm so excited to get this started. So since my channel is all about doing simple DIYs for your home that everybody can do without getting super frustrated, because trust me, I am one of those people. But this one, I'm just going to dump a bunch of acorns into this vase, and I realized that you should put the flowers in first because it was just a mess, and I don't know, it was like, this was actually a really big pain. But anyways, acorns, 3 things of flowers, or like I use these really cute like cotton stems with pine cones. And this is so cute for fall, you guys, and look how easy that was. So it was about $5 to make for this, $6, $7, okay, $7, but we'll let that one slide. And then this one, I just wanted to use this contact paper I got at the Dollar Tree, and this was such a pain, and I was getting so frustrated. It was so thin and so crappy, and like, let me tell you, I ripped this off twice before I seriously just gave up, and I had some of this leftover contact paper from the company called PRACTICALWS, and I loved this, and every little like bubble slid out with a credit card, and I just kind of folded it because I didn't feel like cutting it, but this turned out so good, and I think this is so cute. I had to change my flowers up a little bit just to make sure it all matched, but I love this, and all of these flowers came from the Dollar Tree, and obviously you can get the contact paper from the Dollar Tree as well. I was just getting so frustrated with how thin it was and how it just kept ripping and the air bubbles wouldn't come out, but I'm so happy with this product, so I'm glad it didn't work. And then the last vase is going to have 3 of these like cotton stem, pine cone type decor pieces, or like decor pieces, oh my gosh, floral items. And then I just hot glued the bottom of the vase and just started wrapping twine around it. And I will tell you this, using, oh my gosh, what is it called? Using spray adhesive, yes, using spray adhesive works so much easier. I've done this before and my cat was like driving me nuts, but he usually isn't in here, but like when there's string, he's all over. But yeah, this is simple and super easy. You just wrap twine around the whole entire vase just a bunch of times. It doesn't have to be perfect. And I've already made one of these in the past, but this is my absolute favorite thing. Guys, that's it for my video. Thank you so much for watching. And I know you guys are so excited to have fall DIYs just as much as I'm excited to do them. And if you like these Dollar Tree videos, make sure you give it a big old thumbs up. And if you're new to my channel, I would love you to subscribe. I make videos every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. And I'll see you next time.